guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva. Today I'm going to be installing a wig, and no, this one is not a lace wig, I promise. The wig I'm going to be installing today is from this company called Klaiyi, or however you want to pronounce it. In the box I got this stocking cap. I have like 1,000,001 of them at this point. Also in the box I got these clips, and these are very handy, guys, if you ask me, especially when you're doing wigs or curling your hair. Another thing I got was this head tie, and last but not least I also got these lashes in the box with the hair. This is the hair, guys, and by this you probably are able to tell that yeah, it's not a lace wig, it's called a V-part wig. As you can see, it has 4 clips in the top, and that's what I'm going to be using to secure it onto my hair. It has really beautiful curls. The texture is so soft. I really didn't even have to add anything to it because it's just so amazing. I'm going to part my hair down the middle because I'm going to be doing a center part, and you do not have to do a center part with this kind of hair. You could do side part if you want, on the left, on the right. You definitely don't have to go for center parting, but I'm gonna do it like this. Another thing, what I'm gonna be doing with my hair right now, you definitely don't have to do it. I only do it because I want more security, but you definitely don't have to do it. It depends on your liking, your preference, however you want it. Usually when I'm parting my hair, I like to use jam because it helps to give me a cleaner, sharper, and better looking part. This section I'm taking out, I'm gonna do a cornrow, and this is what I'm gonna be clipping the hair onto. This is gonna give me extra security, so if somebody try to pull on my hair, it's not going anywhere unless my cornrow goes with it. If you feel like the roots of your hair is coarse enough where the clips could be secure onto it but without doing cornrows, then that's why I was saying that you don't need to do this. But if you feel like the texture of the hair is much softer like my hair, then I suggest that you do the cornrows to have that clip have something to hold on to. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing with the other side. Now that I got both cornrow where I want it, I'm gonna go ahead and part the rest of my hair all the way down the middle so I could do 2 cornrows and secure them down nice and flat to put my wig on. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pin the back just to get them out the way while I'm wearing the wig. And have any of you guys noticed that my hair is shorter? Yeah, it is shorter. I cut my hair. I cut about 3 inches off of it. I don't know, I felt like the ends were so dead and it needed that, so I went ahead and do that, and I like it so much more now. And this is what the back looked like. Nothing special. I just thought I'll turn around and show it to you guys. To open the clips, I push on the center of the back, and now it's ready to pin in my hair. I usually pin the one at the front first because this will give me an idea of where to pin the one in the back, and this way it won't be too far in the front or too far back, and I won't have to, undo it and do it again. Now I can pin the one in the back on this side first because the other side is already secure in place. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this hairpin to pin the front of it. I don't know, I just don't want it to stick out. I feel like tucking it under make it look a little bit more natural. Now I'm gonna go ahead and lay my edges using this edge control from Edge Effect. To lay my edges, I'm going to be using the comb on this edge brush. Now I'm gonna go do my makeup and I will be back with the final look. And this is it, guys. What do you think? I think it is a really cute wig. It is so easy to go on. I don't have to glue anything down. I don't have to spray anything down. No drying time. It is so quick. This wig is definitely a grab and go wig for those days when you don't have all the time to spend on your hair. So I think this hair is definitely a good buy. Like I said before, I didn't add anything on it. I didn't have to moisten the curls. I didn't have to spray any water on it. It was just the way you see it, the way I took it from the pack, that's how I put it on. I feel like it is a really nice wig. The curls are soft, very soft. All the information on this wig will be linked in the description box below, so definitely go ahead and check them out. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. I am on the journey to 50K subscribers. I was hoping to get there by the end of the year, but I don't know. We'll see. I really appreciate all you guys that's been subscribing to my channel. I really, really appreciate you. If this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!